Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an account and confirming your email. Once done, link your bank using the app's secure flow or verify microdeposits. Next, set the check template. Choose paper size, logo placement, and upload a signature image. Make sure to assign a starting check number and default memo text so you don't repeat steps later. Don't pause. Enter one test payee now to validate formatting and layout before moving to batch entries. You continue by entering payee details, amounts, and dates. Use saved templates for recurring payees to speed the process. Once entries are verified, assign sequential check numbers and select the correct printer profile and paper type. Test a single PDF print to confirm alignment. Make sure to enable PDF saving and the app's audit log so each issued check is recorded. If you handle payroll or many checks, use batch upload to reduce manual entry and errors. You finish by printing checks on MICR-approved paper and confirming alignment with a single test print, then print the batch. After printing, mark checks as issued in the app, export the ledger for accounting, and reconcile with your bank. If a check misprints or alignment shifts, immediately void that check number in the system, log the reason for audit, and reissue using the next sequential number. If printing repeatedly fails, switch printers or use the app's PDF to print workflow to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.